I'd venture to say that you don't take enough time to just enjoy the rain. Best cat mom ever. That's me. So what do you do during quarantine? Drink some coffee, edit some videos, make some videos, lose your mind by talking to a camera, beg the gods for some sun, but actually I don't mind the rain so much. It kind of just, I guess it goes with the whole quarantine thing and keeps me from wanting to leave the house because it's so dreary. Why bother leaving the house? Although our backyard, when it's raining, kind of looks a little like some sort of like scary forest with Hansel and Gretel or something. Hang on, I'll show you. Put the coffee down. You get this weird, scary shed with the roof caving in and fence all fallen down from previous storms or whatever.
I guess it can be eerie or it can be beautiful.
Slightly wetter today than my previous vlog, but you know, that's Mother Nature. She's got all sorts of, I would say tricks up her sleeve, but I mean, it's not like we don't know these tricks. Sometimes we just don't like them. Seriously though, I bet you don't take enough time to just enjoy Mother Nature sometimes, even if it's at your own house. So, go outside. Hang on. I realize that last statement could be taken quite selfishly in the fact that I actually have a place to get outside too right now. So I'm lucky in that regard. I realize there's millions, if not a couple billion of you who don't have that option. You're in an apartment or a condo and you can't get outside directly without interacting with other people. So be careful. I think Mother Nature, even though it's overcast and rainy, is quite helpful. Enjoy the wet and the dark times as much as the sunshine. But if you're gonna try to get outside, seriously, I think we should avoid other people right now, because it means keeping others safe. Because again, it's not about you, it's about all of us. And you need to be healthy, but you need to keep others healthy too, because if others aren't healthy, that means you can't be healthy either. Boy, that's some sort of statement for the ages that I think I have the, what's the word, authority to make. Which I don't. Maybe I do. Open a window. Get some Mother Nature. But be safe and keep others safe. So you gotta remember the little things in life. My wife painted these stepping stones a couple years ago, and they're beautiful and they're fun to walk on. So, you know, we have a little rockscape thing going in our backyard. with all these little nice stepping stones as we step to that one, and we step to that one without hopefully falling Mr. or Mrs. Caterpillar here. There we go. And we keep going. My wife and I have decided is that Heaven, Mother Nature, has just decided to try to wash everything clean, and it's not a bad idea. Seriously though, as human beings, we really only need food, shelter, we need love. Yes, those things are important. We need our health, and that's a big problem right now. And I do have faith that the other humans of the world that are not me are working on it. I guess we can see that every day in the news. We can see scary things in the news too, but again, panic I don't think is the right answer. If you have food, if you have shelter, the rest is going to work itself out. Just trust in yourself, trust in your neighbors, trust in your fellow humans. We're all in the same boat, and we're gonna get through it. I promise. And I guess I've just decided I'm not gonna panic. I mean, what panic ever brought you or me? I don't know. I'm having fun editing some videos, watching movies with my wife. Oh, we got our taxes done, so probably a good time to get your taxes done, even though the deadline has been extended. Just do them now. It's done. We got money coming to us. I don't know. Maybe I should actually try to figure out how to make some money doing these videos, but that's not the point right now. I guess the point really is to have a little bit more of a digital diary, a vlog here and there. So again, take some time, enjoy the bad weather, do your taxes, and I think I'm being hailed because it's Sloppy Joe time. So let's go. Oh, are we gonna brave the rain with the camera? Yeah, I guess we are. Guess I'm gonna find out the hard way how much weather sealing this camera actually has. And there's a little bit of water on it here and there, so. Still working? All right, good. Wouldn't call it a traditional sloppy Joe, but I think I did pretty good. Smile. I know at some point reality may set in with, you know, having to pay the bills. That goes for me, that goes for you, that goes for everyone trying to survive this thing. I guess I'll deal with that when it comes. There's not much else I can do but just keep holding steady, staying safe, not going out and possibly infecting or getting infected by other people. So I wait. Also on that faith of other people hopefully having a solution for this, I guess I feel kind of lazy in that statement, in the sense that is there something I could be doing to help? But you know, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a lawyer, and I don't play one on TV. So I guess I wait patiently, cautiously, and look for opportunities where maybe I can help if the need arises. Maybe you should too. By the way, this is just a in general life note. Make your office workspace at home awesome. And by that, what I do is I have all these nicely colored lights. It's just really nice. Got artwork everywhere. Skulls.
memorabilia. That's Steve Gadd's signature. Awesome. So yeah, make your space somewhere you want to be, because right now we're going to be in those spaces, so better like it.